Last set. Make sure you got time. Yeah.
Oh, here it is.
14:03 has passed, my friend. No, this is not a motivational video. Let me change the song first. Your dopamine is already too high. This one's better. I am here because I want to congratulate you. You've done your best in the last year. Many even don't attempt. Yes, I know you didn't achieve what you wanted, but there are lots of things that you can't control. That's life. Do your best, but don't take it too hard. That's it. My speech is over. Just one thing. We are a family here. We have contents that help you to become 1% better each day in the new year. If you're willing, just take a look. Have a good year, my friend. Hope to see you again.